2007.
So kids, what's the special on this car you guys are showing? It's a show and shine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the special thing you are showing here?
I don't know what to tell you, man.
You don't want to tell?
I don't know what to tell.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's all you need.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. You're showing its motor is clean. That's the best thing. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah.
This is my brother's.
This is your car?
Yes, man.
Okay, so show me what the speciality of your car is.
Start it up. Oh, this thing is 500 horsepower behemoth. That's what it is.
500 horsepower.
500 horsepower, 6.4 liter Hemi.
Oh, I
Can't
see.
go wrong with it.
Right. Have you improved something in
I
your-
haven't done anything on it. Gonna keep it stock.
Okay.
Value-wise, keep it stock. But the only thing I've done is just the exhaust, sports exhaust.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's all I've done, sports exhaust.
Okay, very
I
good.
think it sounds really nice. So yeah,
It sounds nice. Yeah, this is a good thing. Yeah.
yeah, you should hear it. Yeah.
Okay, okay. This is very good. And this is your truck here?
Yeah, this is my BMW.
Okay, yeah. What's the BMW? Your truck has a specialty.
Yeah, it's a twin turbo. I got a
I mean
stage
the
2 upgrade.
the 4x4. This is your sedan, right?
Yeah,
Four
no,
door.
this is a two-door.
Two-door sedan.
Two-door.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
two-door coupe.
Yeah.
It's a high-performance BMW.
Oh, very good.
It's a
Very-
bi-turbo, stage
Okay.
2 tune.
Okay, very good. Nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, how about your car?
Well,
Let's see.
the look says it all. It's a 1992 XJ6 Silver
Yeah,
Jaguar.
yeah. I can show your dress up too.
Oh.
So you're keeping up. Okay. What's that?
Thank you. It's the 1992 XJ6 Jaguar Sovereign.
Okay.
It's the best you can get for that year.
Oh, I see.
This is an antique classic. You won't see this anywhere.
Oh, I see. So 1992.
1992. The
92.
inside conditions.
All is the original condition.
Everything is original. in
Yeah,
here.
it's not for sale though.
No, sir.
No,
It has
the-
tables, everything that you
Oh,
want.
it
in the
has
car.
table. Okay, okay. This is very good.
Not something you'll find in any new car.
Oh, yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
No, this is very good.
Yeah. 4-liter inline 6.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
A lot of power in the back wheels.
Very good. So guys, Nazreen, you can hear at the background motorbikes and cars are running, and the kids are and people are enjoying here. So it's a good event people have created. It's Darul Quran Institute has created a show and shine, different models of cars and different stuff they are showing here. This is Intikhab Ahmed for a community roundup. Another little car is coming, and Nazir, okay, with me is another organizer or helping. So you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Tahir Sattar, and I'm working with Young Ummah BCMA most of the time, and with Darul Quran and other institutions as well, trying to do everything we can to keep the youth engaged within communities and different activities and all. Today we've got here a 4th annual show and shine Darul Quran Institute is holding, and it's got many different cars, many different bikes. It's something that I would wish all of our community members would participate in every year, and this way it'll help all of our youth to engage, and even parents, because this is not just a youth event, it's also a full family event with all kinds of different things going on. We have bouncy castle, we have burgers, fries, chicken, we have sweets, we have everything here. We have mainly for the ladies, and we have all different kinds of cars and bikes out here. So inshallah we'll see you guys here.
Yeah, Nazreen, by the time you'll see this video, the event will be over. But next time, keep an eye on this event. It's an annual event, and this annual event is good for the community, for the young kids to participate. It's a good weekend getaway.
Yeah.
Keep watching Dil Apna
watching, yeah.
Pakistan.
Yeah,
Keep watching,
inshallah.
inshallah.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.